From shipyard to industrial park.
Velkommen til Lindø Industrial Park.
Welcome. Here we are. Lindø Industrial Park, a subsidiary of AP Møller-Mærsk, is an attractive industrial area of more than 1 million square meters, with almost unlimited opportunities in a central position between the North Sea and the Baltic Sea. The park offers leases of land and buildings to companies needing space, as the former occupant, Lindø Shipyard, gradually closes down, thus making all areas available by the end of March 2012. Lindø Industrial Park is a unique combination of skills and facilities with good opportunities for companies within heavy industry. We have the knowledge to handle heavy structures and our own harbour from which to ship them. Since 1959, Lindø Shipyard has designed, developed and built more than 220 vessels. Through constant innovation, the yard has always been capable of setting new standards for international shipping.
Skal være sovereign Mærsk. Må held og lykke følge dig og alle der skal sejle med dig.
Time after time, Odense Steel Shipyard has developed the world's first and largest, most advanced ships. Soon the shipbuilding activities are closing down. The attractive facilities at the Lindø site are ready to be taken over by new, innovative companies who can see the advantages of leasing instead of ownership, companies in need of space, the handling of heavy structures, and who require a strong infrastructure. In other words, Lindø Industrial Park. The fenced area is more than 1 million square meters and can be extended to twice as much. 166,000 square meters indoors, covering a large number of buildings, and production halls of several thousand square meters, with large gates and high ceiling. In addition, there are a number of smaller production workshops, 4 docks with cranes and dock areas, and the effective gantry crane, lifting up to 1,000 metric tons. The major production halls are 10 to 12,000 square meters, with a ceiling height of up to 40 meters. One of the production halls has sliding roof elements, enabling the gantry crane to lift sections directly up or down between the roof elements. Several production workshops are about 5,000 square meters, with ceiling heights of up to 30 meters, and many are equipped with overhead cranes. And the paint shops can take units of up to 32 by 32 meters. Furthermore, there are many production, assembling and storage areas at the Lindø site, with a lifting capacity by the Kamag platform or crane of up to 1,000 metric tons. This also applies for the loading and unloading of ships. The largest dock, which is also the largest dock in Denmark, has a total length of 300 meters, a width of 90 meters and a depth of 8.5 meters. Lindø Industrial Park also offers office facilities, and among the common facilities you will find are modern conference and meeting rooms, a manned main gate, and changing and washing areas, as well as canteens. The industrial park has its own production unit, Lindø Industrial Services, which offers the processing of steel plates, profiles and pipes to external customers as well as those leasing in the industrial park. This gives access to more than 50 years' experience of steel processing. Lindø Industrial Services is home to Denmark's largest cutting centre, specialising in edge milling, grinding and form cutting. In addition, we offer sling cleansing and shop priming of heavy steel plates and profiles, and discharge and storage facilities. The cutting centre has an annual capacity of more than 150,000 tons of steel. The pipe centre is engaged in the processing of pipes made of black as well as of stainless steel, according to customer requirements and specifications. The pipe centre offers pipe bending, pipe cutting, and flange mounting. The pipe centre has an annual capacity of approximately 75,000 pipes. Lindø Industrial Park enjoys a unique location, with direct access to the sea, its own harbour with a depth of 7.5 metres, and a next-door Odense harbour terminal with a depth of 11 metres, a short distance to the motorway, and first-class connecting roads approved for modular truck trains. 3 airports, 40 to 100 minutes away, and close to the city of Odense with its University of Southern Denmark. Concerts, theatre, cultural life, and a focus on optimum support for enterprise and entrepreneurship. Lindø Industrial Park will be an amalgam of many differing companies, and leasing is well on its way. We're very pleased with the good start of the industrial park. We've signed lease agreements with some major players and quite a number of smaller companies too, and we still have plenty of space. The advantages of leasing instead of ownership are low establishing costs, and thereby a risk reduction for individual companies. At the same time, I'd like to emphasize the infrastructure with direct access to the sea, large production halls, huge crane capacity, and plenty of storage space. We have a skilled staff and strong political support both locally and nationally. Shipyard, formerly known as Fredericia Shipyard, has leased more than 100,000 square meters of dock facilities and buildings. The same amount of square meters has been leased by Skycon Offshore for the production of foundations for offshore wind turbines. And in Lindø Industrial Park you will also find LORC, Lindø Offshore Renewables Centre, a centre of research, innovation and testing of technology for the extraction of offshore green energy. LORC has been founded by several major players. The goal of Lindø Industrial Park is to become Denmark's leading industrial park within heavy industry, an active and attractive area for companies and their employees.